I'm Megan with Carrier Assure, and today I am going to walk through a new feature available on the platform to Carrier Assure customers. This is the Certificate of Due Diligence and how our customers can generate these certificates at certain points in time that will document all pertinent information surrounding a carrier. In light of recent Supreme Court rulings, we understand how important it is to document the entire carrier vetting process and be able to timestamp this sort of information. So our users have complete control over when this information is downloaded and documented. And when you're in a carrier profile, so this is just a carrier's main profile on the platform, users will see the option in the top right-hand corner to generate and get a certificate of due diligence. Of course, before you generate this certificate, we recommend reviewing the carrier, of course, generating this PDF, and then filing that PDF wherever you store load documents. It automatically gets sent to the user associated with the Carrier Assure account, and you have the option to add notes about your review. We have an example, and it can be anything from, called the carrier to discuss weaknesses and other information shown on Carrier Assure, confirmed insurance coverage, etc. You click Generate Certificate, and it quickly gets sent to your email, depending on how much information and how many weaknesses and violations, etc., is associated with the carrier. It can range from how big the file is, but just go into your email, download that document, or make sure it goes to a specific email folder. And that is the due diligence certificate. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to tech@carrierassure.com. And thank you for watching. We hope you log in and make this a part of the process to best protect you and your organization. Thanks.